that a day is done, I'm left here wondering, is this the end? My final words to you. Day turned to night, now you're gone, I'm left here pondering, can this be true? Are we really through? You were the wind beneath my wings, taught me how to fly. With you I lived among the kings. How could this ever die? So I say farewell, I'm yours forever, and I always will be. We were one, we were all, we were the only. Future full of hope, nothing could stand in our way. But dreams can change, visions fall, I feel so lonely. I would walk through fire for just one more day. You were the angel of my life, taught me to be free. Now I'm a stranger in your eyes. Walls are closing in on me. So I say farewell, I'm yours forever, and I always will be. Missing you in my heart, you are the one, and you always will be. When I turn to the east, I see no dawn, but after darkness comes the light.